Hello and welcome to another episode of AWSP News. Thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you for your ongoing incredible work for kids in our state. As you can see, I'm not in the AWSP studios. I'm actually almost live here at Cispus, the Cispus Learning Center that you, as a member of AWSP, own and operate. You might not know that, but you are the only principals group in the entire country that have an outdoor learning facility for students. We are the home of outdoor school, outdoor learning, and incredible student leadership programs for kids in our state. All that happens because of you. I'd like to personally thank each and every one of you who supported us during this last year, financially, as we were devastated by not being able to run our normal programs and operations. Without you, I wouldn't be standing here. Here's to a bright future, and we're excited about what we're going to be doing for the next decades for the students in our state. So thank you. Now I'd like to cut back to me in the studio for some updates on the other work happening at AWSP. Thanks, Scott. Thanks, me? That's weird. But either way, it looks like a beautiful place to be, visit, bring students, have a leadership retreat for your team, camp with your family, etc. In fact, it's going to be a great place to be when John Denver visits in June. Okay, maybe not John Denver, but rather John Denver tribute artist Ted Vigil, who will be performing a benefit concert for Cispus Forever on June 19th at Cispus. Come spend the weekend in the woods with amazing people and some Rocky Mountain High music in the background. Head to awsleaders.org for more information. AWSL Summer Leadership Series registration opens on May 3rd. The Summer Leadership Series for secondary schools will feature live master classes featuring Aaron Jones, Stu Cabe, Colleen Henderson, and Kim Carr, live idea sharing sessions, and an on-demand library of presentations and workshops provided by AWSL Summer Camps. More information can be found at, you guessed it, awsleaders.org. AWSP has been working for 18 months to bring you professional learning around inclusion and inclusionary practices. We recognize how hard each one of you is working on being the best inclusionary leader you can be. As we wrap up our 2-year inclusion grant partnership with OSPI, we have a very exciting live webinar coming that you will not want to miss. Here is AWSP Associate Director Jack Arend to tell you more.
Hey everyone, Jack Arend here, Associate Director with the AWSP Professional Learning Team. Hey, I wanted to give you just a quick announcement on an amazing event we have coming up for all of you that's free. That's right, most of you probably know that the AWSP team has been working for the past 2 years on a project through OSPI called the Inclusionary Practices Project. This project has allowed us to bring amazing learning to all of you, bring in great speakers and great content to help you on your inclusionary practices in your building. Well, on May 10th, that's right, Monday, May 10th, from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, your AWSP team has invited 6 inclusionary experts from around the nation to join us for a live webinar. You will not want to miss this culminating event of our Inclusionary Practices Project. This live webinar we're calling Inclusion 360 is where we're going to bring the inclusion discussion full circle with these unbelievable guests we have. So head to our website and make sure you register for this free event for Monday, May 10th, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. And hey, while you're there, you're going to get a chance to see all of the guests, and we've also done podcasts with each one of them. So register for the event, listen to the podcast, and get ready for a great live webinar. See you there.
Wow, thanks Jack, so amazing and such a great opportunity. Looking for more professional learning? How about registering you and your colleagues for the annual AWSP WASA Summer Conference? For more information on how this conference will look different from last year's first ever virtual event, visit the WASA website about this June-tastic event. You'll find powerful, relevant, and timely keynotes and learning sessions throughout the month of June. That's why it's so June-tastic. Just a quick reminder, we are entering into the season where employment actions are often taken against you and or one of your colleagues as the May 15th deadline quickly approaches. Remember, we are the 911 call center for principals and assistant principals in need of support. If you find yourself saying, "Can they do this to me or my colleague?" then just pick up the phone and call 1-800-562-6100 and we'll answer that question. Don't wait until it's too late. This week was another mark in the ongoing journey of race relations in America with the Chauvin verdict. And once again, you as a building leader find yourself standing in the vortex of supporting healing and creating hope for your students, school, and community. Please know that the full suite of resources and personnel at AWSP, AWSL, and Cispus are ready to serve you in whatever way you or your school community need. That has been and will always be our mission. Please don't hesitate for a moment to reach out to us. Read more about both our continued stance and ongoing support on our website. Well, that's it from all of me here in the studio. Let's go back to my outdoor alter ego in the woods. Thank you, Scott, for all those updates from the studio. On behalf of all of us here at AWSP, AWSL, and Cispus, we can't thank you enough for your incredible work. Keep it up, and we'll see you next time. That was one of our lights that just went out. But we're going to keep going anyway. Good?
Good job.
Thank you.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.